Today, I'm going to share my thoughts on the HairMax LaserBand 82, a device that's been getting a lot of attention in the world of hair restoration. For those unfamiliar, this is a laser therapy device aimed at promoting hair growth, particularly for people dealing with thinning or receding hair. I've had the opportunity to try it out, and I'm here to give you the most honest feedback based on my personal experience. The LaserBand 82 is marketed as a professional-grade solution for hair loss, and it claims to use low-level laser therapy, LLT, to stimulate hair follicles and improve the health of your scalp. The design is sleek and easy to use, resembling a futuristic headband. You wear it over your head for a certain period each session, and the device delivers laser light to your scalp. Now, let's talk about the effectiveness. I've used the LaserBand for several weeks now, and I've noticed some minor improvements. The process itself is quite simple. Just place the band on your head, turn it on, and let it do its thing. Each session lasts about 15 minutes, and you're supposed to use it 3 times a week. The best part? You can use it while watching TV or relaxing, so it doesn't really interfere with your daily routine. However, results don't come overnight. Like with many hair restoration treatments, you need to be patient. I didn't see drastic changes in the first few weeks, but I noticed some hair regrowth by the end of the month. But there are some things you need to consider. One of the downsides of the LaserBand 82 is the price. It's definitely not the cheapest solution out there. While it's effective, I think it may be out of budget for some people. Additionally, not everyone will see the same results. Hair restoration is a very personal process, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you have severe hair loss or are expecting a miracle, this might not be the right product for you. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, the HairMax LaserBand 82 is a solid choice for those looking for a non-invasive solution to hair loss. While it's not a miracle cure, it offers some promising results with consistent use. If you're someone who is serious about hair regrowth and willing to invest in a device that requires patience, this could be a good fit. But before making your decision, I recommend checking out some other options on the market to see if they might suit your needs better. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and insights.